So you have files and you have sanding blocks. But what about a file block? So I came up with this idea to put a file onto a block of wood. So it works better than sandpaper and it has a better handle for shaping wood than a file would. So I'll show you how I made it. What I'm going to do is take a file and cut it in half. So to cut it, I'll just use my angle grinder. So just clamp it to my workbench with one clamp and it's solid. To make the block, I'll be using these two pieces of wood, and I've set the fence to the width of the file. So I've set the blade to 7 degrees, and now I'm going to cut this piece, which is a piece of maple. Now the round over bit took off the sharp edges, so they look better and also they feel really good. Now what I'm going to do is just give it a little bit of sanding with some 150 grit paper and then a couple coats of polyurethane. Now to glue the file onto the block, I'm just going to use some epoxy. And this is 60-minute epoxy. I've used this stuff quite a bit and it works quite well. I don't want to put too much in the edge because I don't want a lot of squeeze out. So that should be fine. And I'll do the other one and I'll just put a little bit of weight on the blocks. So my file block is working great. It's got a comfortable handle. It removes wood really quick and you have a lot of control over it. You can't do this with sandpaper. I can shape the wood and take off a lot of wood really quick, and it's actually quite smooth. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.